Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete old Instagram account without a password, email, and phone number. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and select the account or select the account that you want to delete basically. So I'm going to say, let's say, for example, like that one, that user, right? So if I wanted to delete that user from my account, click that three dots at the top, right? Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit report. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the reason why that you want to report that person, and basically, something about this account, for example, right? And they are pretending to be someone else. They may be under the age of 13. It might have been hacked, something else, and basically, you can just go ahead and type, basically, they pretend to be someone else. Click on it, and then who are they pretending to be? Click on me. Okay, and they basically follow along to block and restrict and mute and all that. And then basically what you gotta do, basically you're gonna be able to follow along with your reports. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.